Hi, welcome guys. In this video, we will discuss about the English assignments of the an iOS. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. And this is a English paper which we are discussing here. Now the question number 1, 2 and 3 that you can see on the screen, that those are questions which are about 40 to 60 words, and question number 4 and question number 5 which are 100 to 150 words, and question number 6 is about 500 words. And all of the questions have written the chapters number which have they taken. And if you need these answers, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. If you need any other help, we are here for help you 24/7. You can contact us anytime. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.